In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana in Google Slides. If you're building a presentation and want faster, better visuals without jumping between tools, this is a simple workflow you'll love. We'll start inside Google Slides, then use the Nano Banana panel to add visuals that make your message clearer and more engaging. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. When you land on the home screen, you can start fresh by choosing a blank presentation. This gives you a clean slate and keeps the focus on the visual you're about to add. If you already have a deck you're working on, feel free to open that instead. Everything we're about to do works the same with a brand new file or an existing one, so use whatever fits your project. Once your presentation is open, look for the Nano Banana icon in your slides interface and click it. This opens a panel designed to help you quickly visualize a slide, so you're not starting from scratch each time you need a graphic. The panel typically appears to the side of your slide, so you can see your canvas and options together. The advantage here is speed and consistency. You choose what you need, and it appears directly on the slide you're editing. Inside the Nano Banana panel, click on Image. Use this when you want a strong single visual to support a headline, a key point, or a section break. It's ideal for moments when a photo or illustration communicates faster than text. After you select Image, the tool will place it on your current slide so you can position it, resize it, and align it with your existing layout. Keep an eye on balance and white space so the image complements your content without overcrowding it. Next, click on Infographic. Choose this when you need structure for information. Think steps, comparisons, timelines, or simple data storytelling. Infographics help you turn scattered points into a clear, scannable visual that guides your audience's attention. Once selected, the infographic will drop into your slide, ready for you to edit the text, adjust colors to match your theme, and fine-tune the arrangement. Use consistent fonts and spacing to keep everything readable from a distance. That's the full flow. Open Google Slides, start with a blank presentation or an existing one, click the Nano Banana icon, then choose Image or Infographic depending on what best supports your message. With these options, you can move from idea to polished visual in minutes, while staying focused on the story you're telling.